subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, to tell a family member, to tell somebody else, because we lady over here. If y'all hear stuff in the background, it's fans, y'all. If you live in a bungalow, then you understand that when you live in a bungalow, the heat rises, and it's always the top floor that's the hottest. And I feel like the AC don't even be circulating up in here. So I got my fan on. I got my little miniature bear fan, y'all. I purchased this from Amazon, because your girl gotta stay cool. I gotta stay cool. I have to. It's a necessity. So y'all, I'll try to project my voice, because I can't find my little recording thing. It's probably somewhere up in here, up in this nail room madness, but I just don't feel like looking for it. I might be looking a little crazy. Your girl was laying down, but I got some mail today, and I try to make sure I stay on top as far as unboxing my stuff. I definitely purchased this one item, or it's two items from AliExpress, which y'all know, that's Old Faithful. And y'all, I already opened one because I was so anxious. Like, I was too anxious, so I had to open it. And yeah, so y'all know, unfortunately, I can't link this stuff down below. But maybe, what was I going to say? Make sure you use your words. VIP handbags, VIP luxury handbags, VIP bags, or either designer handbags or designer bags or designer purse. You know, you have to mix them around. And lately with AliExpress, they've been doing this thing with hidden links. So it's like kind of harder to find bags. You just got to click on a link and then just go from there. So good luck. Because you know, if I could, I would help y'all out with the links, but we didn't came too far for our channel, so I don't want to get anything taken down, but just use your words. So this was the first thing I opened. I didn't open it all the way, but I already knew what it was. It's a wallet I purchased. I thought it was so cute. I hope this fan is not annoying in the background, y'all. I really hope it's not. I want to say this was only like $5. I thought it was so cute. It's like a Christian Dior dupe of a wallet. And I want to say, how many cards can this hold? 9. What was that? 9 holds. Let me make sure I'm counting it right. Yeah, 9. So you can hold 9 cards in here. It's pretty good. And it's a very decent size, and it's in the color like a faux crocodile type texture with the little D. And I thought this was just so cute to put my cards in, because sometimes I'm fumbling with my cards and you don't want your cards to fall or lose stuff. And y'all, this is so nice, and I thought it was cute. It's like accordion. But yeah, I thought this was so cute. Definitely good quality. Not bad at all for the price that it was. And y'all see this little, it's not even really gold. It's more like a vintage type gold, like a bronzy type color. So y'all know I'm gonna be throwing stuff away as I go. So this next package we have right here, y'all, I'm surprised they let this one through, because I'm currently waiting on a refund now. So I don't know what that's about, but y'all know me, I really don't be buying stuff. Only if I see something like I really want, I'll purchase it. And I'm going to my mailing information. Make sure it's not on this. Okay. So it's a bag within a bag. Let's see. Within another bag. Within a brown bag, and we all know what the brown bag is. So St. Louis was home. Oh yeah, I remember this one. So I wanted to get a miniature Speedy. Y'all, I thought this was so cute. Let's open it first. Let's see how the zipper is. Nice zipper. Let's open this up. Y'all, this is so cute. So what size is this? I'm not even gonna be lying to y'all, so I'm gonna put the size somewhere up here on the screen. And y'all, I just had to purchase this. This is in the monogram color with the dark brown outline and straps. I thought this was so cute. Let's see, in the inside, it does have the LV, Paris, made in France. with a pocket in the inside. Let's look. Yeah, so this is how it looks on the inside with the pocket. I thought this was so cute. You know, something small and dainty. I'm not over my big purse phase, but lately I just been buying things that's small and easier to manage, especially when, you know, it's getting colder. You're not going to want to be carrying a big purse with a big old winter jacket and all that stuff. You just want to pick up and go. This also came with a Louis Vuitton crossbody. And y'all know these don't usually extend that far, so I'm definitely going to have to use an extender. But I think it's so adorable, y'all, because I didn't want a big Speedy. Because I already got a big Speedy in the, one of the, I think the white damier, and it's huge. I think it's like a 30 something. It's huge. Like, I carried that and got aggravated because it was just so big. It felt like I was just running into stuff. So I thought this was very cute to have. I know the structure is a little off, but I definitely had to unbox this and show y'all this little gem. So cute. So yeah, y'all, this ain't the small Speedy. This like a, I don't know. I'm gonna put it in the description. And then the y'all see the size. Cause I'm not good with the Louis Vuitton sizes, y'all. But yeah, I thought this was cute. These are my 2 unboxings, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.